Hello, welcome back to this channel. So this is lesson 13. So we are going to see area of shapes in our lesson of mensuration. So we have the formulas. Number one, we have area of square, which is a square. Always when we are looking for the area of square, we are just squaring the size of or length of one side. Number two, area of rectangle. So the value of area of an every rectangle is the length times breadth, means the length, the size of length times the size of breadth. So number three, we have area of triangle. So the area of triangle is 1 divided by 2 multiplied by b times height. If you know the base and the height of the triangle, so we just multiply them and divided by 2, so which is the area of each and every triangle. So the last one, number 4, area of circle. If you want to find the area of circle, you need only to know the radius. If you know the radius, you just square it and multiply it by the value of 5, which is 22 divided by 7. So these are the formulas we are used. You need to memorize them so that it will be easy for you to solve several phenomena for the next question when it applies. So what we are going to look at here, area of circle is under consideration in this lesson, but we didn't know the perimeter of the circle, so we will see it once we come to the cycle. Before we give an example of area of cycle, we take perimeter of cycle. So these are the formulas. If you need to solve it in the easiest way, you must climb or you must master these formulas for your better understanding by the grace of God. So let's see an examples so that we can be able to solve each and every one of them, each and every one of these one after another. So we are starting with number one, area of cycle. Example number one. So we are looking for the area of cycle. Number one, find area of square below. So this one is a square. We have the same length of the square. A. This all A are the same length of each side. So to find the value of this square, we need to multiply the length. Area of square is equal to length times length, means length of each and every side times the other side. So when you multiply, length is equal to A. So we are going to measure what is exact value of one side, because all sides are equal. If you have this side is 2, the other one is going to be 2. So by measuring, the length of A is 19 centimeter. So the other side also are 19 centimeter. So now the value of this area is A square, which is 19 square. So 19 square is 361 centimeters squared. So the unit of area is squared. More examples. To find area of square below, so if length of square is 12 kilometer, its area is 144 kilometers squared. Also, if length of square is 30 hectare, so its area is going to be 900 hectares squared, because we are going to multiply the safe. So if length of square is 15 centimeter, its area is going to be 225 centimeters squared. If length of square is 25 millimeters, so its area is 625 millimeters squared. So always unit of area is squared. So you need to take note of this. So the next one, we have area of rectangle. Number two, find area of rectangle below. So the area of rectangle is always length times breadth. So since from the initial, the formula is like that. So we need to measure the breadth is 11 centimeter and the length is 24 centimeter. So 24 centimeter is going to be multiplied by 11 centimeter. The area is equal to 11 times 24. The value of area is 264 centimeters squared. Now take the other examples. next one we have number 3. Find area of triangle below. So we already know the formula for finding the area of triangle, which is b times height divided by 2, meaning that 1 over 2 multiplied by b times height. So before we move to the solution, we need to measure the length of breadth, which is 22 centimeter, and the height is 11 centimeter. So by using the formula, we have 1 over 2 into b times height, which is 1 over 2 multiplied by 22 times 11. 22 times 11 is equal to 242. So when you multiply it by half, it will be 121 centimeter squared. So that is an exact value of the area of this triangle which it occupies. So we already find the value of this area of triangle. Now we are moving to the next example, cycle. Now, so we are going to start with perimeter of cycle below. So what we need to know first is what is radius. Radius is a line that starts from the circumference, means the surface of the cycle, directly to the center of the cycle. So this line that starts from the circumference of the cycle to the center of the cycle, like this one, is called radius. So if you know the value, means the length of this one, so you are going to find the perimeter using the formula. So the formula for finding the perimeter of cycle is different with the one we are going to use in finding the area. So perimeter of cycle is equal to 2 pi r. So always the value of pi is equal to 22 divided by 7. Then by measurement, this radius is 8 centimeter, means perimeter is equal to 2 multiplied by 5, which is 22 divided by 7, multiplied by the radius, which is 8. So 2 into 3.142 multiplied by 8 is 50.3 centimeter. So in perimeter we don't need square, only in the area. So we are going to use this one also to find the area of cycle of the cycle, the same cycle, but the area now we are going to find. So we have area of cycle is pi r squared. The value of pi is 3.142 at the decimal place. Then the value of radius is 8. When you square it, is 8 squared. So you are going to find 8 squared is 64. When you multiply it by 3.142 is 201.1 centimeters squared. So that is the value of this cycle. So this is an end of mensuration for this class, maybe in the next year. So next lesson is going to be number system by the grace of God. So see you tomorrow, inshallah.